హ్యాపీనెస్ అంటే ఐఎమ్ వెరీ వెరీ ఫస్ట్ రిలీవ్డ్. ఒక ఈ ఫీలింగ్ చాలా బాగుంది. సో ఐ రియలీ ఐఎమ్ ఎంజాయింగ్ ఇట్ ఇన్ ద మూమెంట్. అండ్ ఆబ్వియస్లీ కొంచెం నర్వస్గా కూడా ఉంది బికాస్ ఇమ్మీడియట్లీ అనదర్ రిలీజ్. సో ఐఎమ్ అ లిటిల్ నర్వస్ ఆల్సో.
So, Dear Mega, how did you start?
Dear Mega, actually, Sushant my director, tried to contact me for a long time, but he was not able to. I think because nobody was giving the right number, and then randomly one day when I was in Chennai, I think I was shooting. అప్పుడు ఒక ఫోన్ వచ్చింది నా మామకి అండ్ he was like, I really really want her for it. I was a little scared initially because female character chala important, chala heavy, so it's a responsibility you're taking on yourself. So I was very scared, but I thought, why not? Naku ippudu I want to do different things from before. So I want to try different things and I want to see like maybe different stories or different. So this really touched me because naku romantic movies ante chala ishtam. And emotionals emaina emotion aithe sadness happy naku I love to feel like I'm in love or I'm sad after a movie. So ఈ script విన్నప్పుడు I thought of that only, so I wanted to do it. Fine means I think with the teaser and trailer of everything, so you'll understand that is full and full, that's comedy and drama. This is more of emotions and love and like okay, pure love. Love ante it's not just, I mean I've always believed the fact that it's not just boyfriend girlfriend. Love any relationship lo undi, whether it's with your mother or your friend. So I think in this movie they'll show that there are many kinds of love, and love is very, it's unconditional and pure. Dear Mega, ఏంటంటే I think the character was very similar to me because నేను చాలా quiet and I'm very inside me I think I'm loud and reactive, but actually outside I'm very quiet. So inside I have another person outside, so it's very easy to relate to her in that sense. But otherwise I love how innocent and simple the character was. So that's why I wanted to do it. And Adit is my mother's friend for many years. From Chennai itself, they are friends. We did an ad together. I think 2014 or something like that. We did an ad together. So I know him for many years, and it was like, it's very comfortable. He knows me very well, so it's very comfortable working with him.
మూవీ చూసినప్పుడు ట్రయాంగిల్ లవ్ స్టోరీలా అనిపిస్తుంది అంతేనా? అంటే ఎలా ఉండబోతుంది స్టోరీ బేసిక్ ప్లాట్ ఏంటి అసలు?
Love ante we all in our life have at some point loved more than one person. So it's like that only in this movie also. You can say it's a triangle love story, yes.
So, music ఎంత ఇంపార్టెన్స్ ఉంటుందో ఇట్లాంటి రొమాంటిక్ మూవీస్కి?
Yes,
మ్యూజిక్ విల్ ప్లే హీరో. సో ఈ మూవీలో మ్యూజిక్ హౌ విల్ బి?
I love, I mean ఇది నా మూవీ సో ఐ కాంట్ సే, బట్ నాకు అన్ని సాంగ్స్ చాలా చాలా ఇష్టం. అండ్ I think my favorite part about our Indian movies, which Western movies are now, the culture is coming there also, is our songs and dance. And I love movies that have especially romance and music and song, and I love all that. And this has so many sweet romantic songs that you can relate to. Everybody can relate to some song at some point because we've all been in love, so it's easy to relate.
Which one is your favorite song among all?
For me, my first favorite is Amani Ute.
Can you define love? What is love for you?
Love is, personally, I think it's unconditional first, and I always believe that it's a necessity because to be a better person in our life, we do it for our mothers, our fathers, because the love we have for them. In the future, if we love somebody, they make us a better person. So I think it's very necessary. For love is something that will push you to be the best version of yourself.
Can you tell about your first crush?
My first crush was in school. My classmate who used to sit next to me. I think it was in 4th standard, so it was that much only. That was my first crush.
Maybe at that age you are not fully mentally aware.
Yeah, you just.
Okay, after once you got some awareness, so at that time who was your crush?
My first ever crush, which is that way, was Shah Rukh Khan because they used to play his songs and I had a huge crush on him. And after that it was MS Dhoni.
You happen to work with Rajnikant, you are doing young heroes now and you are doing hero in prominent films. So how do you analyze your career?
I realized one thing in the beginning when I came with a lot of plans, and I realized that when you're working here, that's not how it goes. Whatever we plan, whatever has to happen only will happen. So I think at that time I was very young. I came with all different ideas, and now as I've like grown up, I wanted the reason I wanted to act itself was to be a different person. I get to play different characters, be somebody who I'm not. Initially, I used to try and be more in the safe thing and be like, okay, I'll do what I'm comfortable. Now I want to do things that scare me. I want to come out of my comfort zone. So my view has changed, and I try not to plan because it never goes according to my plan.
Yeah, how different is Dear Mega compared to your earlier films? How different it is from the regular rom-coms?
It is very different because I haven't done just a full a romantic film. So that itself makes it very different. And I think
Does it have any tragic scenes, sequences?
every love story will have a little bit of sadness here and there. So like that, even in this there is. Yeah, but I think the major most different was this was a very heavy role. I bear a lot of the responsibility in this thing. So I think that is still the most scariest and
Have you come
different
across
part.
any people who have lost their dear ones? Any realistic stories you heard
As in?
in real life?
In real life, all of us break up. That itself is losing somebody. Of course, even I've been through that. Everybody's been through that. So yeah, losing.
I felt this is so tragic to even take it, even when.
I don't know. I can't answer that.
Tell about the production, like producer.
It's Vedant's
Vedant's
creativity.
Creations, yeah.
I working with Arjun was a lot of fun. He's new, but then he very approachable, very easy for me. I could contact him if I needed anything. And the sweetest part was he made sure if I'm not comfortable, I was unwell when we were shooting. So he would like push around things and give me time. He made sure I was very comfortable and very well taken care of. So I really enjoyed working with him.
So after this, do you have gone through any scripts? New?
I'm listening now to a lot after.
But you didn't finalize yet?
No.
You have another film in Telugu, right?
Yes, I have. I'm Anucharita and I'm a part of Gurtunda Sita
Ah,
Kala.
yeah. Couple of movies.
Yes. And hopefully I'll be signing a few more very, very soon.
పర్సనల్ లైఫ్లో అంటే లవ్ మ్యారేజ్ నేను ఇష్టపడతారా అరేంజ్ మ్యారేజ్ ఇష్టపడతారా ప్రిఫర్ చేసేది
Love marriage.
అంటే ఎలాంటి పార్ట్నర్స్ ఉన్నాయి అంటే డ్రీమ్స్ అంటే
Sorry.
పార్ట్నర్లో ఎలాంటి
Usha, wait, I can't hear.
కాబోయే పార్ట్నర్ ఎలాంటి క్వాలిటీస్ ఉండాలని ఏమైనా ఎక్స్పెక్టేషన్స్ ఉంటాయా
నాకా ఏమంటే expectations I like that I don't have, but I just hope he's nice to me, kind ante, and lets me be me. I don't have any other expectations.
Please like, follow and subscribe.
Please subscribe.
Please subscribe.
Please subscribe. Please subscribe.
Subscribe
Please subscribe
Please subscribe
Film Jalsa.
to Film Jalsa.
Film Jalsa.
To Film Jalsa. Film Jalsa.
Film Jalsa.
Film Jalsa channel.
To Film Jalsa.